Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your composition and picking the exact layer you want to animate. Do that now. Once done, tap a property like position or opacity and enable its keyframe switch. This tells the app to record changes. Move the playhead to the next frame or time, then alter the value to create a second keyframe. This is the core action. Make sure to name or color your layer if you plan multiple animations, because organization speeds later edits. Once you have basic keyframes, dive into the graph editor to shape motion. This is where motion feels real. You can switch easing from linear to ease in or ease out, or drag handles for a custom Bezier curve to control acceleration. Also, copy and paste keyframes for repeating patterns, and nudge timing by dragging multiple keyframes together. Make sure to zoom the timeline when working tiny adjustments. Precision at this stage prevents jitter later on. Now preview your animation at full speed and render a short draft so you can judge timing and interpolation. If motion feels robotic, add motion blur, refine easing, or introduce secondary keyframes for subtle follow-through. Once satisfied, export with the correct codec and resolution. If something breaks, frames missing, weird jumps, first clear the app cache and restart. If that fails, check clip length and layer hierarchy before redoing keyframes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.